Let me help you change the batteries, open the key fob, open the remote for your Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury. What I have here are the key and remote to a 2008 Lincoln Town Car Stretch Limousine. That daddy is long. I cannot get into the trunk without using the remote, and the batteries are dead. Let's change the batteries. Let's go ahead and open the key fob, open the remote for this Lincoln limousine. All you need tool-wise is something flat. I have a flathead screwdriver. You're gonna pry that into the back part. You can even leave it hooked up to the keychain, no problem. You're not going to damage anything. It's a very strong plastic. Inside, you will reveal a CR2032 battery. That's the battery you need. I'm going to go ahead, fish around, see if I can't find an old battery and an old remote for a vehicle long lost. Unfortunately, I never did find the right size battery or a battery that actually worked, and I hope it's not that the remote doesn't work, but that's how you get in there. It works with Fords, Lincolns, and Mercurys mid-2000s to mid-2010s, or maybe early 2000s to early 2010s. I'm not sure. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about